Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen for special Android 9 Pie system for Kia Sorento 2015 to 2019 years. Okay, let me show. The harness will come with head unit. This special harness for Kia Sportage. This main power cable for Kia Hyundai Sorento, and the canvas box will come packaged together. Okay, this original backup camera. Okay, this is radio antenna. Also will come with head unit. When you receive head units, there are 2 screws on the top of head unit. Please take out before installing. This built in the DVD slot. Supports CD DVD player. Okay, let me show it. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can change the. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change Kia logo. When you back the home, okay, show Kia logo. You can change color on this panel. You can adjust green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, choose the red. Let me back Belsee logo. Okay, you also can change this button color on the settings. Let me check the settings. Car setting. They are posting the setting, LED settings. You can choose the gray, change the gray color, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose red. Okay, let me check the button machine. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connected Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi icon. Button machine, you can check this MCU variant. CPU octa-core memory size 4GB. It's PX5 rack chip Android 9 Pie system. Okay, we back the home. First, let me introduce the Bluetooth. All apps are here. You can check its Bluetooth amplifier. And it's built-in easy connection for Mirrorlink. It's Google Maps, and you can download the application from Google Play Store. This Z-Link, it's built-in Z-Link. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay when you connect the USB cable. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can check device number and the pin number for 0. Let me open my phone. You can check this Bluetooth. Please turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And click search button. You will get the Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. Connect Galaxy S8 Plus. Your phone will get command. Okay, you put the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, click OK. Okay, it connect Bluetooth, show Bluetooth icon in taskbar. You can make a free phone call. Volume button. Okay, let me hang up. Okay, let me show the streaming music from your phone. Stream music volume from your phone. Okay, this is stream music. This mute on and the mute off. This USB. This is USB driver. When you connect USB cable, it will play music from USB automatically. Is USB 1. Amplifier. Okay, let me show the video. Video disabled drive for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car setting, drive setting, turn on the watch video, then play video game. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video, around the world. It's supposed to play 4K video. Okay, let me show the Google Maps. It's built in Google Maps. Our country doesn't support Google service, so it's show Google Maps show nothing. It splits the screen. Let me find the music. It's band. It's radio. And let me play the music. Okay, it supports the music, listening music, and Google Maps at the same time. It's a split model. Okay, you can Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.